G'day, welcome to Accelerate Maths. Today we'll learn long division. Let's do 80 divided by 5. 5 divides into 8 one time. Write 1 in the answer. 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. 5 does not divide into 3, so bring down the next number, which is 0. 5 divides into 30 6 times. Write 6 in the answer. 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. 30 minus 30 is 0. When the remainder here is 0, we've finished the division. So 80 divided by 5 is 16. Now let's do 84 divided by 7. 7 divides into 8 one time. Write 1 in the answer. 1 multiplied by 7 is 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. 7 does not divide into 1, so bring down the next number, which is 4. 7 divides into 14 2 times. Write 2 in the answer. 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. 14 minus 14 is 0. When the remainder here is 0, we have finished the division. So 84 divided by 7 is 12. Now let's do 576 divided by 18. 18 does not divide into 5, so bring down the next number, which is 7. 18 divides into 57 about 3 times. Write 3 in the answer. 3 multiplied by 18 is 54. 57 minus 54 is 3. 18 does not divide into 3, so bring down the next number, which is 6. 18 divides into 36 2 times. Write 2 in the answer. 2 multiplied by 18 is 36. 36 minus 36 is 0. When the remainder here is 0, we have finished the division. So 576 divided by 18 is 32. Let's do 864 divided by 32. 32 does not divide into 8. So bring down the next number, which is 6. 32 divides into 86 2 times. Write the 2 in the answer. 2 multiplied by 32 is 64. 86 minus 64 is 22. 32 does not divide into 22, so bring down the next number, which is 4. 32 divides into 224 7 times. Write 7 in the answer. 7 multiplied by 32 is 224. 224 minus 224 is 0. When the remainder is 0, we have finished the division. So 864 divided by 32 is 27.